It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, October the 30th. I'm Michael Groff. It's right around Halloween that most Phoenicians will tell you the weather cools off and stays that way. And wouldn't you know it, just in time, we've got an upper trough coming through here this afternoon and tonight. And that is going to usher in much cooler air and maybe even a chance of rain to parts of our state. Will we see any here in the valley? Well, let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 88 degrees for the high after a morning low of 65. And outside right now, here at 5:45 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy skies in the valley. We begin this day at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 52. Humidity 60%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 58 at Goldfield and Buckeye, 59 in North Phoenix. Most of us, though, are in the 60s. Water vapor satellite view. Here comes our upper trough moving through the west. That'll be ushering in the cooler weather. It'll be deepening, though, as it moves toward the Central Plains states in response to an amplifying ridge over the Northeast Pacific. And the watch warning map, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in parts of northern New Mexico and Colorado. Dense fog advisories along the Gulf Coast around Lake Charles and New Orleans. We've got flood watches for parts of Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio, and red flag warnings in central and northern California. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the contiguous United States, but you do see parts of Arizona are in the green, so a risk of thunder just to the north and east of Phoenix. Tomorrow, this is day 2. We've got the enhanced risk around Houston up toward College Station, Texas. Could see some damaging straight line winds and even a few tornadoes there tomorrow. The standard risk for parts of East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and western Mississippi. And rainfall, valid through next Tuesday morning, coming from the WPC, amounts up to about 1/4 of an inch across the northeast third of Arizona. Here in the valley, probably nothing at all. And we'll get into the details of it all right now as we take a look at the models. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper-level shortwave trough moving through, southerly flow out ahead of it, bringing in at least some moisture, and there's some decent dynamics with this feature too, thanks to cold air aloft. So down at the surface, scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms over northeast Arizona. It will be breezy to locally windy at times, especially over the northern half of the state today. Highs this afternoon, low to mid-80s. Then tonight, as that front moves through, breezy conditions continue. Lows in the 50s to near 60. This is the 3-kilometer NAM at 9 o'clock tonight. And you can see that frontal band is moving through. Most of the activity is over Gila, Navajo, Apache counties. But can't rule out a shower clipping extreme eastern Maricopa County. But I still think in the valley we're going to stay dry. And then tomorrow for Halloween, an absolutely glorious day. Sunny, breezy at times, highs in the mid-70s. By the time you go out trick-or-treating tomorrow night, say 5:30, 6 o'clock, temperatures upper 60s to about 70. Now, Thursday morning, it's going to be one of the coolest mornings we've had in a long time around here. Lows in the upper 40s in the cool spots, mid-50s in the mid-city. Highs should be in the upper 70s. Then Friday, mostly sunny skies, highs right around 80 or so. And then over the weekend, we'll see short waves passing north of Arizona. Occasional high clouds will be around, but otherwise a perfect weekend with highs low 80s each day, lows mostly in the 50s. And we'll see that continue Sunday and Monday. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 6th of November, Election Day. And a big cold upper trough over the Great Lakes and the nation's heartland. Here in the southwest, we'll have a ridge that's flattening out, a dry northwesterly flow. I say dry, but again, occasional high clouds will move through. Highs mostly in the lower 80s. Here's Wednesday, the 7th of November. The ridge is flattening out. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Thursday, the 8th of November. And a zonal flow in place with temperatures right around average. Speaking of temperatures, let's take a look at those coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. And it looks like temperatures more or less right around where they should be as we head into the first week to 10 days of November. And then maybe a bit of a pattern change coming out there toward mid-month. Still too early to call, but one that could favor a bit better chance of precipitation here in the desert Southwest. We'll just have to see. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic and safe Tuesday. And here is your forecast.